Bell. Oh, why are they running? Why are they running? I didn't know they were gonna run. Oh no! Why are you running?
Hello everyone, my name is Christian Skaggs and welcome back to my channel. Today, as you can tell from the title, I'm combining my love for Minecraft, yes, I said it, Minecraft, I know, and my love for makeup. So I had this idea like 2 nights ago and I was like, listen up, I have to film this video right now. So the idea was to make a video titled Minecraft Picks My Makeup, but I'm broke and I only have one foundation, one concealer, one contour, etc, etc. But I do have lots of eyeshadow palettes and lots of eyeshadows to choose from. So I thought I could still do the challenge, but it would just be Minecraft Picks My Eyeshadow. So without further ado, let's get right into this video. Okay, starting off, I took my knowledge of the game Minecraft and I went to work. And I was trying to figure out how I can make Minecraft and makeup correlate. Okay, for the first step, I picked out 5 eyeshadow palettes that I can choose from for this challenge. Starting with the Morphe 25L palette, the Morphe 35B palette, the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette, the Morphe X James Charles palette, and the Morphe 39A Dare to Create palette. After that, I researched a whole bunch of Minecraft items that you could obtain without crafting or making any tools. Then I wrote them down on a piece of paper and I numbered them. Okay, for the second step, I wrote down 5 different categories of biomes. There's like over, 70 different types of biomes in Minecraft, but they can all be categorized into 5 different subcategories. Starting with lush, which is pretty much any like grasslands or regular forest. The next is the ocean/beach biome, snowy biomes, the dry biomes, which include savannas and deserts and everything in between, and last but not least, the cold biomes, which include everything from the taiga to the extreme hills. Now the reason I wrote these down is because whatever biome I land in is the biome that picks what my eyeshadow palette is going to be. So the third step, take those pieces of paper, put them in a bowl, and randomly select them out and put them on each of the palettes. Starting with the 25L since it had the least number of shadows in it. Okay, so now that I have all the biomes placed on their appropriate eyeshadow palettes, let's get right into the game so I can see what eyeshadow palette I'm going to be using for today's video. Hello everyone, we are now in voiceover mode. So I am on my Minecraft world, I am playing the Pocket Edition, that's just what I'm working with, don't judge me. Okay, so let's create a new world, let's make it sure it's survival, we don't want none of that. Let's name this world Makeup, return, and let's click create. Okay, once I click create and whatever block I spawn on, whatever block that biome is in, that is the biome that chooses my eyeshadow palette. Okay, so let's get right into this. Okay, here we go. Ooh. Oh, okay. I think this is ocean. Like, I would say this was ocean. I mean, that I was standing right over there, and I'm just surrounded by a big ocean. Oh, okay, well, ocean it is. So, as y'all just saw, I spawned in an ocean biome, which means I'm using the Morphe 25L palette for today's look. Okay, for the fourth step in this process, you're gonna cut out and number little pieces of paper so that you have the same number as you do shades in your eyeshadow palette. For me, that's just 25. For you, it might be 12, 9, 18, I don't know. Then going from left to right, top to bottom, if that makes any sense, take those pieces of paper, put them in a bowl. I randomly selected a number for each shade in the eyeshadow palette. Now that the eyeshadow palette is all numbered, let's get back into the game to figure out what shades we're actually going to be using out of the palette. Hey guys, let's get started. So, the first item I saw was a dandelion over here. Let's pick this up. That is our first item. I don't actually remember what number went to what shadow, so it's just going to be completely random, whatever I get. And the first 9 items, well, whatever fills up my hotbar. So whatever items fill up the bottom row down here, each of these slots. And I'm not allowed to die. And that's pretty much the only rules. No, I mean, no cheating, of course. Get this right here. Now we have 4 items. We have a dandelion, sand, dirt, and an oak log. Okay, well, it looks like there's just a lot of oceans. I'm just gonna swim in this direction, and I'll see you guys when I find some land. Okay, guys, so I have finally found land. I have been swimming for a little while. These dolphins around, well, wherever they went, they were being kind souls and helping me get across this big, empty, lonely, dark, scary ocean, okay? You know, I had trouble, okay? But we are now here in a savanna, so let's get some items, okay? I see some grass, I'm gonna break that. Get some seeds. Okay, no seeds. That's great. Okay, wow, am I really getting no seeds? Oh, it's rigged! Oh, there we go, finally. Okay, the 5th item is some seeds. And then we're gonna also get some, what is this, acacia log, I think? Maybe. No, that's oak. There's acacia. Is that how you say it? I don't even know how you say it. Okay, acacia, let's get you, honey. Okay, there we go. Acacia. So, ooh, a sheep. Oh, I placed my block. I'll come back for a little. Wool and a mutton, technically, are 1. I'm counting that 1. So I'm just going to place that right there and move about my day. I found a village and an iron golem. Oh, look, a little baby pig. How cute. Bunch of seeds and crops and stuff. Is that a watermelon? Whoa. In a village? Wow, I'm shook. I didn't know they had watermelons in villages now. Minecraft is going places. Oh look, some chickadee-anyas. Wow, this is a cute little village. Oh, hi Titty Tad. Look at the little kitty cat. It's so cute. Oh, it doesn't like me. My bell. Oh, why are they running? Why are they running? I didn't know they were gonna run. Oh no. Why are you running? I didn't know they were scared of it. Yes, sugar cane. Okay, let's see. Oh no, it's starting to get dark. I want to hurry up and find my last item so I don't have to be here when it's dark. Oh, well, it's a village. I'll be fine. I need one of these chickens to lay an egg. Because I'm pretty sure that's one of my items. Lay an egg. Where is this going to? They just, wow, these these villagers are a little suicidal. They just got a dot going off to nowhere. Said bye, okay. Wow, watching the sunset on the pier, that was beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna sleep the night off, and then we're gonna find our last item in the morning. Wake up. Get out of the bed. I need to sleep. Oh, he cranky. I'd be cranky too, but I need to sleep. How did I... Okay, I did not cut. There's no editing, no nothing. I literally just woke up outside. He got so mad. He done picked me up, took me outside of his house, and put me on the outside. Dang, you were real mad. Wait, come back. Oh, a feather. Oh, and boom, I got a feather. So, there we go. So I now have my 9 items. I have a sugarcane, a feather, sand, dirt block, oak log, dandelion, potato, an acacia log, and raw mutton. Okay guys, ooh, my eyes are huge. Oh, I like the baby chicken. Okay guys, that is the end of the Minecraft portion of this video. I had a lot of fun playing this. If you guys want to see me make more Minecraft videos, let me know in the comments down below, because I definitely will try to do that. Now, without further ado, let's get into the makeup portion of this video. From all the items I got, these are the corresponding shades that I will be using for this look. Shade Heart, Life, Healing, Make Magic, Peace, Thrive, nature art in 1978. Okay, so I guess it's time to start the eyeshadow. Using a Morphe M441 brush and dipping into the shade Nature, I'm just gonna apply that in the crease. Well, again, y'all should know from my videos by now, I don't like explaining what I'm doing because y'all can see, because this is YouTube, so use your eyes. Rant over. Next, using the Morphe M506 brush, I'm dipping into the shade Art and putting this right here. Using that same brush, I'm dipping into the shade Make Magic and applying that in the crease. I never put a shimmer in the crease, but you know what? I'm gonna try it today. Hopefully, it doesn't backfire on me, but we'll see. Now to deepen that up, using the same brush, I'm dipping into the shade Peace and applying that pretty much in the same place. Now taking the shade Thrive, I'm just gonna blend out that green. Now I'm just gonna cut the crease real quick. Now using the Morphe M166 brush, I'm dipping into the shade Healing and applying that where I just cut the crease. Now going back with the M506 brush, I'm dipping into the shade Light and blending out the cut crease with that. Next, using a Morphe M433 brush, I'm dipping into the shade Heart and blending out that red shade. Now I'm just going to dip back into that red shade and blend it out underneath my eye. And then I'm just going to blend that out with the pink shade. And lastly, taking the Morphe M431 brush, I'm dipping into the shade 1978 and applying that to the inner corner. Okay, I did it, guys. The eyeshadow is all complete. So I'm just gonna go apply some mascara and lashes off camera real quick and I'll be right back. Okay, so this is the look all complete. I really surprised myself for this one. I hands down did not think I was gonna be able to do it, but I'm just that bitch. To be honest, I was expecting it to turn out really bad, but I like the results. Okay guys, so this is the end of the video now. If you want to see more videos like this, leave a comment down below telling me what you would like to see. If you made it this far into the video, please give it a like. Also, don't forget to click that subscribe button and that notification bell to be notified every time I upload a new video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see y'all later. Oh, this is gonna be kind of hard. I don't know how I did it, but I made this look good.